Hello, this is Dan from the Finishing Experts. How may I help you today?
Hi, I'm Jim, and I'm a powder coater. My customers return parts because the paint is chipping off during assembly.
What do you think is going on and how do I fix it?
Do you have a sample with you?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, I see it. Is the chipping isolated on a specific part? What about the rest of your production?
It's on one specific part for one customer. The rest of the pieces are fine.
Good. Is the chip down to the base metal?
Yes, it's down to the base metal.
Okay. What is the base?
Our customer base is steel.
If the chip is down to the base, you've got poor adhesion between the powder and the base metal. So it must be a problem with either your cleaners, your rinses, or possibly the phosphate coating. How old are your cleaners, rinses, and your phosphates?
The cleaner and the phosphates are all about 3 months old. The rinses we change out monthly.
Okay, that being said, when was the last time they were made up fresh?
The cleaners and phosphate are due for change out next week. The rinses are 3 weeks old.
Okay, what's your operating temperature for your cleaners?
It's steady at 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. Well, the problem lies somewhere with one of those three solutions. Since they're close for new makeup, I would suggest that we dump the rinses, make up fresh ones, and then we run test parts and check for the defects at that time.
Okay then, I'll try it.
Hey, Jim, how you doing today? Did you get those results for me?
It improved somewhat, but the problem still exists. I'm still getting chipping. I went online last night, and a guy from Powder Coating Forum said that our bake temperature is off, and we need to increase it. I'm about to try that.
Wait. First, let's confirm that it's off. When was the thermostat and thermocouple calibrated the last time?
Our SOP is to have them calibrated quarterly. It was last done 6 weeks ago.
Okay, before you change the temperature, you should check it manually. And then to make sure your digital readout and your thermocouple are indeed accurate.
Sure. Hey, Ted, can you go manually confirm the temperature on the bake oven?
It's 100 degrees.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, so that's definitely not the problem. Do not touch the oven. Just leave that alone.
Whew, that would have cost me a day's worth of scrap, but an extra day.
Well, that happens, and that's the problem with the internet. You don't know who you're talking to. Sometimes you could get wrong advice, and it could even compound your problems and make a mountain out of a molehill. What I recommend is dump your cleaner and start with the fresh makeup. And then what I would do is I would increase your set point for your temperature in your cleaners from 100 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The reason for that is because a lot of the shop oils and cutting fluids and compounds and such don't melt at those lower temperatures. So if you increase it, it will remove the. We'll have a better chance of getting that part clean at the higher set temperature.
So there's no issue with my oven?
Correct. Your oven is fine. The adhesion problem is due to the fact that the surface is not clean. By dumping fresh, increasing your temperature, you should be able to create a surface that will enable the. It's actually more receptive to the phosphate coating itself, and by doing that, you're going to create better adhesion on that particular piece.
Great, so that's it then?
Yeah, that should solve your problem. In the future, I would change your standing operating procedure to increase your dump frequency. Have that elevated temperature in both your cleaners and your phosphate. Since you're a VIP member, I have your line description. So you might want to ask your customer for the technical data sheet and the MSDS on those particular fluids and rinses on that part. So then you don't upload it to the secure part of the site.
Then what happens?
Well, that way I can go over it and see that there's not going to be any conflict moving forward, and we'll just try to prevent any future problems from taking place.
Awesome. Thanks.
Okay, no problem. And just let me know if there's anything else I can do, and look forward to helping you in the future. All right, thank you very much.